In this video, you'll learn how to use the Response Surface Design platform in JMP to construct a Box-Behnken design for 3 factors. From the Home window, in the DOE menu, under Classical, I'll select Response Surface Design. So by default, there's a single response labeled Y, but you can enter the actual name of your response if you want. And the default goal for the response is Maximize, and if you need to change that, you can select from the drop-down menu. You can also define limits for your response here. If you have more than one response, you can add them one at a time, or if they have the same goals, you can add several at once. Classic response surface designs require a minimum of 2 continuous factors, and Box-Behnken designs in particular require at least 3 continuous factors. So I can add a third factor by clicking on the plus sign. And just a reminder that with the classic response surface designs, continuous factors are the only types of factors that you can include. Just like the responses, I can change the names of the factors here and enter the real physical values for the low and high levels. But I'll leave those at -1 and 1 for this example. I'll click Continue, and then I have a list of designs to choose from. With 3 factors, there's only one option for a Box-Behnken design. It's a 15-run design with 3 center points. Center points are design points where all of the factors are at their middle levels. So in this example, where I left the low and high values at -1 and 1, the center points are runs where each factor is at 0, and we'll see that when I make the data table. The Box-Behnken design is already selected because it's the first one in the list. So I'll click Continue and leave the default options, which includes those 3 center points, and click Make Table. The pattern column shows the treatment combinations, or the settings for the 3 factors in each run, and the runs are in random order. The 3 runs where the pattern is 0, 0, 0 are the center points, and every other run has one of the 3 factors at its midpoint, 0, because in a Box-Behnken design, there are no runs at the corners of the design space. And you can see that in a plot of the 3 factors. The design space is a cube, and there are runs at the edges of the cube, but no runs in the corners. The design table includes a model script that you can run to analyze your data after you conduct the experiment. But I'll run that script now to look at the model that I'll be able to estimate with this design. The model includes the main effects with the response surface suffix, and all of the 2-factor interactions and quadratic effects. So that's how you create a Box-Behnken response surface design in JMP.